Hey, it's Mike and today I'd like to talk about SOS Limited. This stock trades on the NYSE under symbol SOS. The stock was down almost 17%, down to $10.65. However, in the pre-market, it is up over 5.5%, up to $11.25. Look over the past 5 days, the stock has been doing really well. It's because SOS Limited announced in January that they're getting involved with Bitcoin mining. And because of that, the stock moved up pretty impressively, doubling, really just in 2 or 3 trading days. Of course, we did have the Bitcoin, we did have small caps selling off over the past couple of days. And even though Bitcoin has not moved down a lot from its all-time high, I think just a lot of air is beginning to come out of the Bitcoin mining stocks. Marathon, Argo, Riot, they all came down. So SOS is going to come down as well. However, the long-term story in cryptocurrency and in Bitcoin in particular is that Bitcoin is probably going to continue to rise exponentially higher over the next couple months. There are a lot of targets that I've seen go anywhere from like 600,000 to 100,000. I definitely think $100,000 is going to be locked in. Probably an outside possibility that Bitcoin goes up to $200,000. Now, because of that, I do think that the Bitcoin mining stocks are going to move up much higher than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin triples, then stock like SOS Limited could go up sixfold. So this is definitely a stock that can move up to $50, $60 a share before the end of the year. Now, that being said, I will say this. I will say I am personally uncomfortable investing in any Bitcoin mining company that's based in China. And that's because I am worried that the Chinese government could go in and instruct these companies to not mine or invest in Bitcoin mining operations, or they could just nationalize or take over these operations if they feel that Bitcoin mining is a threat to their currency, or a threat to their economy, or a threat to their authority. So that does make me a little bit nervous. So what I would do is I personally keep Marathon and Riot as my core Bitcoin mining holdings, but I would use SOS or like Argo blockchain as a side investment, as a smaller investment. I would not use it as a core investment because, like I said, I am worried about interference from the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party. If Bitcoin becomes too powerful and it's seen as a threat to the yuan. So, like I said, I definitely think there's a lot of potential here for SOS to get up to $50, $60 a share, but just watch for government interference. So I would not make this a core holding. So that being said, go ahead and check out SOS Limited. Again, trades on the NYC under symbol SOS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.